just on another planet.
Logging in. What is going on, YouTube universe? We got a special guest. Where's your special guest? One moment, please.
1 hour later.
I moved the seat. I did so much.
You all see? Alright. As you guys can see, we got a special guest here.
Hello.
Back at it again.
Back at it again with another banger video. Today we're doing a mukbang. We got our food. What's this?
Zaxbys.
Zaxbys. Oh, it's called Japanese. I don't know. We're just gonna be asking each other questions that can go from 0 to 100 real quick. So, I mean, are we like? Is it me asking you all the question or?
Yeah.
No, you have.
No, yeah. That'd be funny as hell.
So like when someone asks a
Because
question.
I'm gonna get my feelings if I ask a question that he answers and I don't like the answer.
So when someone asks a question, both people have to answer.
Both of us.
That's what we're doing.
Okay,
So
that's
you're
what we're
gonna
doing.
ask the question.
I'm not starting. You guys can start. I didn't know where another ball field is. Wait. Before we start, I'm gonna go and tell them what we got or what you got.
Chicken tenders and fries with toast.
Uh-huh.
Well, we got this. Me and her got
They have the same thing. What's your choice, Jordan?
Sprite.
Coke.
I got boneless wings, buffalo sauce, regular mild, whatever. Sprite, some celery, some ranch. So let's get into it. Who's starting?
You got it, babe.
I'll go ahead and go ahead.
Wait, what am I doing?
You have to
Ask
ask
me
us
a
a
question.
question.
Both of you?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
We just went over that.
Favorite sex position?
What?
You 100 real quick.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like
Favorites.
it's gonna be like
Shut your mouth.
awkward,
Just
but
continue.
like,
Answer the fucking question.
because we're dating, so like that's normal for us.
Well, yeah. So she's my sister.
Yeah, I know that. That's what I mean, but still. Anyways, okay, my answer is shit.
I know, but it's funny
Change
because
over.
she's
Yeah,
good like that.
change over. What is this? That's seen. I'm
You
gonna
can have
say doggy style.
Well, mine has to be bent over the bed.
Hey, we be doing that shit. Wait, like
I hope
on
my
the
mom
ground?
doesn't see this.
No.
Dude.
No, like my mom.
Oh no, she don't have.
No, like- My feet on the floor and then like bent
Yeah.
over the bed.
Okay.
We should do this wrong.
Huh?
Anyway.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
Round 2 with Adriana's like drug edition.
Uh-huh. Okay.
All right.
My turn.
So it's
Yeah.
kind of, yeah.
Damn. Shit. I'm gonna just go easy. You feel me? Your dream car.
Mine would probably be. I like the i8 BMWs. Those are nice, but I would get it matte black with red interior.
We already know mine. It's literally exactly what you want.
What I want? The Lamborghini truck? Yes.
The Lamborghini truck.
It's an SUV.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen that.
You never seen that?
It's really nice. I got
You
it.
got it. That
Alright.
shit. Woo. The one that, especially the one that had a Rockstar music video. That shit was tough.
I know what you're talking about.
You
now.
seen the
Yeah.
music video? Yeah, exactly. That truck. That shit. And the inside. Beautiful.
But the inside's like fucking nice as hell.
Biggest fantasy doesn't have to be perverted, but like biggest like goal or want, but like anything.
To win the lottery.
Win the lottery.
Yeah, like I can have winning the lottery makes me have a bunch of different fantasies of what I would do with the money, if that makes sense. So that's my biggest fantasy. Like I think about that shit almost every day.
Financially stable.
That's good. Okay.
Alright, do you gonna go back to 100 again or what?
You'll find out. Would you rather have herpes or HIV?
What?
They're supposed to be juicy.
Herpes or HIV? I ain't trying to walk around with bumps on my, my mouth.
Yeah.
People gonna know you got herpes.
But it can come and go. That's a thing.
Oh,
You can
okay.
get rid of it.
Well, I guess for me, if you can get rid, you can get rid of herpes. So that's something serious. HIV is something serious too. But I guess in my opinion, HIV doesn't, or I won't say doesn't, but shouldn't matter. Not
Shouldn't matter for what?
No, like if you're in a like stable like relationship with the other person, because you're not having sex with other people.
Yeah.
There's no one else to really give it to you. You're giving it to your wife, if that, you feel me? Like that's the only person that could possibly get it. So that's, I guess same thing with herpes though. But like I said, I don't really want bumps on mine.
So HIV. Hips.
Hips.
Okay.
So craziest like experience in high school. So I mean, it could be sexual, it could be just most craziest type shit like
I got so drunk during Spirit Day or like whatever the thing is for homecoming that I passed out, blacked out under the computers in the computer lab in the library, and it was only first period, and my friends had to carry me to the bathroom.
First period.
First period, and I slept in my car the rest of the school day, and then drove home like nothing happened.
Like nothing.
Yeah.
Hold on. So she got drunk.
First
At
9
period.
a.m. 9 a.m.
7 a.m. Yes. Passed out in
Man.
the computer lab. Under the computers, there's a picture of it. And then my friends carried me to my car, and then I slept in my car until school got out and drove home like that.
That's okay.
Craziest? Skipping school for 3 weeks straight.
What did you do?
Stupid shit.
Yeah. That shit's crazy though. 3 weeks straight. That's almost. You can like.
Oh,
I was back for that.
Oh, I know, but I did it. Here I am.
Anybody know what doll? Oh, she's right there. Would you rather have to give up your gender? So like you had to be a boy and like get surgery, fix it, and you would have to be a girl, or would you rather not have any like sexual organs at all? Like you had no dick, no vagina, no nothing, just solid like a Barbie.
I guess. I mean, yeah. I guess I would give up my gender, but I wouldn't be like as a female. I would be gay. Can't
Yeah,
proud of
same.
myself. You would be gay as a guy. You would? Yeah. Shit. Go ahead then.
I'm kidding.
No, you're not.
You would be gay if you were a girl.
100%.
Because you like that shit.
Oh, yeah, and I don't like dick.
Well, that's not how you be acting. Whoa.
My turn? No, your turn. No, your turn. She just asked a question.
Exactly. It's your turn.
I
I
know
went.
you started. He went second time.
What did you ask?
She just asked a question.
Yeah, but what did you ask?
About craziest high school experience.
Oh, right.
Oh.
Excuse
oh,
me.
Spicy.
Whoa.
Why is that spicy?
Itchy
Itchy,
worm,
why am I
itchy.
itchy?
What? The SpongeBob like
Why am I
episode.
itchy?
Would you rather breed babies with a family member in your household? Or
You really went there.
would you rather have like a twin of you? You guys live in the same household and like you guys have to fuck all every day.
What, bro? Okay, hold on.
Let me clarify.
Oh, here we go. I know what you're going to clarify.
The breeding of the babies is not gonna be normal. Like they're gonna like have Down syndrome.
Wait, but is the twin male or female?
The same sex.
Oh, I forgot I was answering this too.
Is the family member like blood or like
It's incest.
Well, that means that it would have to be dad, which I'm gonna have to go not fuck my sibling.
Yeah.
My twin.
Wait, what was my other question?
You said, would you rather fuck your twin
Yeah.
or have incest, pretty much, or do incest? Commit
Bro.
incest. Like rape babies. Like,
Newtons.
Yeah, my baby's come.
shit.
Go my babies go. Go my babies go. Go my babies go.
I don't know, bro. I guess I'm gonna have to. Shit.
Well, if you fuck your twin, one's bending over, the other one's sticking it in.
Yeah.
So.
And one said, "Oh, Poppy,
Know it, bro?
go."
I don't know, bro. They're both terrible.
All right, well, you gotta pick.
Killing myself.
No, that's not an option.
That's
No,
not-
you have to answer the question. That's not part of the game. That's not.
Guess I would do the first one, the incest one, whatever that one.
You fuck your sibling?
Huh?
You fuck your sibling?
No, bitch.
You didn't say sibling,
oh,
say someone in
somebody-
your family.
Okay, well, who would it be?
Why does that, what?
That's not part of the
now.
question.
That's
There's no part
exactly.
twos.
What are you
All right,
saying? Alright, that's how you want to play? That's how you want to play? That's how you want to play? Alright, bet.
Can you eat your fruit, please?
Would you rather have sexual intercourse?
Sex.
Yes.
You could have said sex.
With Johnny Boy. Or
We're all going to hell.
Or-
Like, all going to
If
hell.
Or-
anybody ever sees this video in our family,
We're fucked.
we are
it's
ditto.
rap. It's
It's
rap.
rap.
And probably CPS will be good.
No, like actually.
Or-
Like my dad would do it. Okay.
It's about to get crazy. That or get trained by your dogs.
Well, my dog's a female, so Kimber's got it.
Alright, the two male dogs.
Gizmo with you. I am
They got
scarred for.
They got shrimp dicks anyways. It's
He
fine.
started shaking. He's shaking. He's like, I can't listen to this.
That
But-
shit's crazy.
I would rather fuck the dog than get fucked by the dog. That is foul. I love you, Nemo. I'm so sorry you had to hear that.
Oh my. Alright, Shandy, here first. We got some dog fuckers.
Whoa, whoa,
Hey,
whoa. Bestiality is a crime.
Hey now, you got a question coming for you
I'm not
next.
trying to get
You got a question coming for you next.
Alright, I hear you.
All right.
Go ahead.
Alright, it's my turn.
Tap tap tap.
Would you rather go to jail for a crime you didn't commit, but you can't, there's no appeals, no nothing, you can't get out for life? Or would you rather
Jesus Christ.
kill your own family and get away with it, but live with the guilt?
Like my whole family?
Yeah, whole family.
Like,
All blood relatives. Mass slaughter. Why? I don't know if
Mass
I want this
slaughter.
on the internet. Like, this is bad. This
it
is bad.
Well, okay, you said for like you mean like life sentence? Like,
Yes.
like for the rest of your life?
Like
or just
booty
For the rest
booty.
of your life.
Booty in the
Until the day you die.
booty in the face.
Yeah.
Why you saying
The prisoners. They'll be like,
Don't
"Not
knock
you,
yourself."
come get it.
That's
knock
not what they gonna say, bro. They gonna
Be like,
force
"Hey, yo!"
it. They gonna force it. Anyways,
They
I'm
be
gonna kill my whole
You
family.
like this shit. You want a boo in your butt?
I'm gonna
Wow.
kill my whole family. Everyone getting slaughtered.
Wow.
Everybody gonna die. Boom, boom.
Pshum, pshum, everybody gonna die. Pshum, pshum, everybody.
I would go to jail.
I would too.
Or a crime you didn't commit forever
Yeah.
and get falsely raped
At least.
for the rest of your life.
That's when you become the rapist.
Yeah. Let them know.
Now
Lexi.
you're living with that guilt that you're raping someone
I know.
else. You're putting someone else through that hell.
Better make friends.
Shit. I mean, yeah, you're right.
Don't change your option now.
I'm not changing my option. I'm still
All
killing my whole family.
All right.
Damn. Everybody gonna die. You feel me?
If
Anyways.
people that see this don't know us, they're gonna think we're a bunch of fucked up people.
No, literally, they're gonna think we're on that.
The questions are, you gotta answer the questions, that's all. The questions are what they are. It is what it is.
Can you eat, please? Like, you
It
just
is
keep
what
looking
it
at
is.
it and not eat, and like, it's bothering me. Like,
It's
eat
fun.
your-
Why you wanna eat it?
No, I really don't. I have
Okay.
to poop already.
Anyways, who's next? Your turn.
Would you rather eat your...
Alright, bro. Go ahead, bro.
Would you rather eat ice cream that is poop flavored and you have like it literally tastes like poop and diarrhea, like you literally have to eat it, or eat ice cream that tastes like the smell of like a rotten dead body that somebody killed?
Shall we eat food flavored ice cream?
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, you never know. Could be good.
Yeah, that was rough.
He's
So,
wrong.
that's, you know, that's us. We just ate, asked some wild questions. So, if you like the video, hit a thumbs up. Want to see more of Faith? Hit a thumbs up. Want to see more of Alexis? Hit a thumbs up. Want to see more of Matthew? Hit a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time you post a video. And if you want to see part 2 though, for real, hit a thumbs up. Like, leave a comment down below. Drop some questions.
Oh yeah, drop questions.
Drop some
Yes.
questions. You know, because sometimes, I mean, it's hard
It's
coming up
hard
on
to
the
think
spot.
of them.
So if you
Yeah.
guys drop some questions, we will 100% ask them. So,
You guys should start like a Twitter, and like that's where people can like give
oh
feedback.
yeah.
Do like the Matthew and Faith
That's true.
Twitter.
Well,
and
once
link
we get
it.
like more subscribers,
Yeah.
And then, well, still like
we're gonna have 1 follower. Maybe
Yeah, for
like,
real.
I mean, but then it's at least
No, yeah.
established, and you can always put it in there
That's
and
true.
start building. And who knows, you might blow up on Twitter, post pictures of each other, or
That's
video
how we blow up.
links. People might blow up on
You gotta do
Twitter.
those bathroom pictures, you know.
yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
you got
hip.
hella pictures.
I'm
of
literally
those.
so hip. Like you literally have to take a picture with your significant other in the bathroom.
That
Those
blows you up.
parts?
Yeah, that shit blows you the fuck
Eddie,
up.
Eddie.
Like act like you
Oh,
love each other like in the
yeah,
bathroom.
know.
Like that shit blows
Yes,
you the
I
fuck up for
know.
no apparent reason, just because they think it's cute. Look at little boy. Oh my god.